Ports are the gateway for communication, and managing them efficiently is crucial. With Ansible, we can automate port assignments, reducing tedious manual work. Playbooks make the process smooth by defining rules for instance ports. Smart allocation ensures optimal resource utilization. Plus, automation helps cut down errors, because let's be honest, typos can be sneaky little troublemakers. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ansible is like the superhero of automation, no capes, just YAML. Managing ports manually can be tedious, but Ansible simplifies configurations effortlessly. It ensures consistency across instances, keeping networks streamlined. Plus, less human intervention means fewer errors, because nobody wants to be the person who mistakenly closes the wrong port. Before diving into port management, let's set the stage. We need an Ansible control node with all the right dependencies. Target hosts must be defined properly. Think of it as assigning seats in a theater. And of course, SSH access is key, because knocking politely on ports doesn't work in networking. Let's get Ansible up and running. First, install Ansible, piece of cake. Next, configure the inventory file so Ansible knows where to apply changes. Connectivity must be solid, or we'll just be shouting into the void. And before we go full automation mode, testing basic commands helps ensure a smooth ride. Let's talk about port assignments, because nothing ruins a good deployment like ports behaving badly. First, we need to ensure they're assigned to the right applications. A misassigned port is like giving the wrong guest a VIP pass, chaos. Next, configuration files and network settings need a thorough check. Then, using command line tools helps confirm connectivity. Think of it as a secret handshake. And finally, logs will snitch on any port conflicts or failures. Stay vigilant. Troubleshooting port issues is like solving a mystery, except the culprit is a stubborn firewall or an elusive binding error. First, incorrect configurations can block connectivity, so double-check those settings. Firewalls sometimes think they're protecting us, but they might be blocking the very ports we need. Binding errors. They happen when services refuse to claim their assigned port divas. Lastly, diagnostic tools help uncover the root cause so we can restore order. Why manually assign ports when Ansible can do it for you? First, templates help standardize configurations, so no more guessing. Automation speeds up port assignment and reduces human errors, because who has time for accidental typos? With predefined mappings, we keep things neat, organized, and consistent. And best of all, using dynamic templates ensures scalability. Think of it as setting the foundation for smooth operations, even as your infrastructure grows. Let's talk security. Open ports can be an invitation to trouble, so restricting unnecessary ones helps keep things locked down. Firewalls and security policies play the role of bodyguards, ensuring only the right traffic gets through. Secure authentication ensures only authorized users interact with sensitive ports. No party crashers allowed. And finally, regular audits help spot vulnerabilities before attackers do. Think of this as your cybersecurity checklist. Optimizing Ansible workflows keeps port management effortless. Modular playbooks ensure streamlined assignments. Think of them as well-organized recipes for success. Role-based automation makes scaling easier. No need to micromanage every port manually. Secure credential handling through Ansible Vault keeps sensitive information safe, because passwords deserve better than a sticky note. And continuous monitoring. It helps us refine workflows over time, making everything smoother. Best practices aren't just guidelines, they're lifesavers. Defining consistent assignment standards prevents chaos. Validating configurations before deployment ensures everything works as expected, no surprises. Documentation makes future troubleshooting a breeze, because who remembers every port setting? And lastly, training teams ensures smooth management, because let's face it, knowing these best practices today saves headaches tomorrow. And that's a wrap. We've covered everything from troubleshooting to automation and security. Ports can be tricky, but with these strategies, you're well equipped. We tackled common challenges and their fixes, explored automation, and emphasized best practices. Now the next steps. Experiment, optimize, and keep refining your port management skills. Because great infrastructure management is an evolving journey, stay curious. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.